So this is the MAXVAC Pro35 wet and dry dust extractor. As we open the box, we come across a first sleeve which contains accessories. We have two sections of steel wands, the floor bar, a wide crevice nozzle, a surface cleaning brush, a diameter adapter, and a second stepped adapter. This is a 38mm, 2.5 meter hose. So the extractor itself, the 32 amp 110 volt cable, brakes for the wheels, the interface for the wand to the hose. On the side, there's a clip to remove the motor and go to the dust drum. Socket can take up to 1600 watt and it takes a 16 amp plug. What you have is the ability to dial in the diameter of the aperture that you're working with on the hose or the tool. The unit itself has an auto clean function for the filters. Down on the on and off switch, I can turn it on, and I've got variable power between a low suction rate and a high suction rate. Down at the front here, there is a nice cap. In transit, the dust is kept inside the unit as a vehicle might be moving and shaking around. So inside the drum on arrival, the comprehensive instruction manual. Next is a fleece bag. We also have the 36mm 4 meter long hose. Inside the drum, it's 35 litre capacity with the fleece bag. On the drum itself, we have large fixed rear wheels and rotatable forward wheels. At the back, I also have the ability to store tools.